What's up, guys? Back out at the barn working on the touring today. Last episode you saw we got the engine and trans mounted in there, and today we're gonna work on getting this Chase Bay's radiator in here. First thing we gotta do is remove the bumper and valance, and then the hood latch, and then you gotta cut here, and you gotta cut this piece out down here, and I think that's about it. So go ahead and show you that.
Put a light bar in my truck.
Oh, how'd that go?
Not bad.
Oh,
Fucking
cool.
bright as
Tabs
fuck.
just broke right off.
So nice.
So now you can see the deer before you hit them?
Yeah, literally.
Wow. Alright, now that I got the bumper off, we're going to go ahead and remove this front valance here. Just a bunch of bolts around, pretty simple. Some over here. And then just pop right out.
Water and oil. And air. They just got shit everywhere. Like there's parts to their cars there, there's parts to the cars there.
Alright, I think the valance is ready to come off. Maybe. There we go. Alright, so now I think it's chopping time, boys. The radiator fits right in between here. So we're going to go ahead, get our Sharpie and mark this, and get the Sawzall and have at her. Alright. Kind of come in like this, and fuck, I guess we'll see what happens. With a quickness. Easy peasy. Probably maybe go through and cap these, clean them up a little bit. But yeah, that should be good. Yeah, I'll probably clean this up a tad, cut out something there and cut out something there, and grind all the edges down so it's nice and smooth. That's fucking real easy. I'm gonna go ahead and mark with a Sharpie right here and right here. And we're gonna cut that part out. So where's my just like straight over this way, right above that hole. Huh, let's see how this one goes, I guess. Actually, I'll remove this. Oh, baby. Oh, he's still attached. Bam. How to destroy your touring in 2 easy steps. So, not too bad. Might come through and clean this up a little more. I'm gonna wrap a bunch of cardboard around the radiator real quick so I don't mess it up, and then see how it fits in there. Alright guys, so you can see we got some cardboard over here. Kind of got it mocked up in here. Been doing some trimming, excuse me, trimmed up over here, trimmed up in here a little more, pretty tight. This side looks good. This side, there's a little L in there, kind of connected to the bracket to hold it in, or like give it some structural rigidity, and it's not allowing me to close this gap here, so might have to sand that down a little. But all in all, it looks like it's gonna fit pretty well.
Sure.
Alright, so you can see it a little better here. It's just there to give this some strength. I'm gonna go ahead and just a little more grind it down there.
Your wife asked.
Maybe do this side a little too.
Hey, I agree.
She's got a sex trophy. Alright guys, so
What up, girl?
we got some holes tapped in the mounts here. Gonna go ahead and hit her with the drill ski, and then I got some riv nuts. We're gonna riv nut her in there and see how that goes. Alright, so we got these M8 riv nuts. We've gone ahead and tapped these, drilled these out, whatever the fuck you want to say. Now we're doing science.
Science! Video clip?
Sure, we can do that. Videotape while you put her in the hole.
Oh, yeah.
Crank her down. Good cranks. She ain't going nowhere.
You ain't going nowhere.
So the reason we're doing this, not that I plan on taking the radiator off a lot, is so I can fucking screw right into this. It looks clean, easy removal. You don't gotta hold a nut on the back. So you guys should riv nut stuff.
Riv nuts are the best.
See how she fits.
Go up a little bit.
Oh yeah. Nice and easy that is to bolt in there. Woo-wee. Oh yeah, that fits way better now. After grinding that inside lip and voiding my warranty, I'm sure, she fits.
Who needs warranties?
Yeah, I don't know.
You're gonna wreck it. You're gonna wreck it.
Well,
Beyond warranty.
I don't understand why they put a fucking bracket on the inside of there in the corner, and like you think they tested it. I don't know. Maybe I'm retarded. Like, maybe I just don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I know how to ruin a touring, so I'm pretty good at that. You just cut some shit.
Oh yeah.
Take this off and see how she fits. Dang, looking fancy, boys.
Big oversized radiator, so no air gets to the motor.
I did a lot of precision math.
Only hot air. Hot hair. Hot hair? Hot air.
Oh yeah, it's not even rubbing up on there. That's perfect.
Yeah,
Perfect.
Opening them holes up.
But yeah, so there you guys go. Radiator's installed. You can kind of see how we did it. Basically just take the valance and the bumper off, trim up here, trim the side, drill some holes. Freaking, I had to trim the bracket a little bit, and she fit great. I will go ahead, probably cap off the ends here just so they don't get all rusty and crappy and have a bunch of crap in there, and spray them and call it good. So let me know what you guys think. On the next episode, we might start the rust repair and work on taking some of these brackets and stuff out. I think that's what we're gonna do. I want to test fit the headers, and after that we're gonna pull the engine. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and if you could, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.